here the question is, which activities are typically performed in a data preparation phase? Options are A. EDA, data cleansing and data transformation; B. Data cleansing, data transformation and data integration; C. Data transformation, data integration and model building; and D. Data preparation, data transformation and visualization. Okay, so the data preparation phase consists of three important activities or subphases. One is data cleaning, where the incorrect values or inconsistencies are handled; data integration, because essentially there will be data from heterogeneous sources; and data transformation, because there can be numeric data, non-numeric data, different formats followed by different sources. So these are the three more activities or three important activities. So if you look at option B, data cleaning, data transformation and data integration, this is the correct answer.